Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Today I'll be going through the Gemini Jets February 2018 new releases. And so we're on Gemini Jets website, but first off, I want to ask about, I want to get back into news videos. So I want to ask, would you prefer I restarted them on this channel again? Or would you prefer if I created a new channel? Now, creating a new channel would take a lot of work and a lot of commitment, seeing as I don't get much remuneration from my channel, and starting fresh is will take quite a lot of work. And I don't mind putting in that work, but how would you guys prefer? Would you prefer if I stayed on this channel, if I kept making those on this channel, or if I made a new channel? And yeah, because I really want to get back into it. I might get caught up because personal life things again. Starting up very soon. I've got a lot of things with studies and work coming up very, very soon. So my personal life is going to be absolute chock-a-block with my career and things like that. So just let me know what you think, if I should start a new channel or continue those on this channel, because I haven't done them, I believe, since May, but I really want to get back into them. They're interesting, and some of you guys really like them, and I want to get into other topics regarding that as well. I want to put a lot of work into them, put a lot of effort, and show my opinion, my side of things. I just think that's important. I like to put a lot of work into things. I take pride in putting a lot of work into things and making things just full of information, full of knowledge. Because that helps everyone. Anyway guys, after that long start, let's get right into these. We'll go to the new releases section. So we have the, actually I said 2018 at the start, I believe. I haven't got used to saying 2019 yet, or 2019. So it's February 2019. If I did say 2018 before, I apologise. So first up is the British Airways Lockheed L1011 Tristar GBBAG. Got Negus. Is that the aircraft? No, I have no idea. Just here in the remarks notes. Possibly there's something printed down at the front here. I don't know what it means, but yeah. Head on to the next one. Emirates A380 A6z. This has the Expo 2020 livery. This is the orange one, so there is also the green and blue one. I believe the green was the first one, could be mistaken, but this one looks really nice. I think it goes well with Emirates. It's almost like it's the gold, because Emirates have gold on their for their logo, the Arab writing on their logo, so it does match quite well. Royal Brunei Airlines A320 Neo V8 RBA, nice looking aircraft, that one. Although it'd be good to see their old livery on these aircraft. Silver Airways ATR 72, I think it was, N400 SV. Oh, sorry, 42. ATR 42. Yeah, I thought it seemed a bit too long for a 72, but they're typically 72s. Terram Illusion IL62 YRIRE. That's a pretty neat aircraft. A bit like the Vickers Viscount. Got plenty of pics from my family who's seen many of the British Airways ones. UPS MD-11 Freighter N280 UP. Nice looking aircraft. Vietnam Airlines A321 Neo VN A616. Cool aircraft. And last commercial aircraft for 1400 is the Virgin Atlantic VBIG 747-400. Awesome aircraft. Love the 747s. I do have this model in 1-200. I believe it was also made by Gemini Jets. I reviewed some time ago. Fantastic model, and if you don't have one, I do recommend getting one. And also, speaking of Virgin Atlantic, they acquired Flybe. They agreed to terms, and Virgin Atlantic over the past few years haven't been looking that great, but now they're starting to pick up the pace a bit. I think they put a lot of effort into the Virgin Galactic program, but now they're looking very good, Virgin Atlantic, and it'd be good to see, although I will miss Flybe. Royal Thai Air Force, C-130, 60109, the registration number. Love the Hercs, awesome aircraft. Now we move to 1/200 scale. Actually, we'll do 1/72 scale. So the Gemini General Aviation section. Cessna 172, this is Sporty's Flight School. So this would be obviously the actual livery of the aircraft. Fantastic looking aircraft in 1215A. I would really like to see this in 1/200 scale. It's probably a bit too small for 1/400. And you could potentially say the same for 1/200 scale, although I do like my models in the same scale, as you know, it's more represents a more true collection, if you get what I mean. But look, if they don't, I can understand why. It's a fantastic aircraft, and I do hope they produce more Cessnas, because they are getting kind of popular with collectors. So Gemini Jet's really found a gem. American Airlines 737-800 in 921NN. This is the beautiful chrome livery, the polished metal. Love this. I'm not sure whether to get this. I probably won't. I'm not going to say it's a maybe at this point, because I don't want to put any false hope. If I can basically find some extra free money somewhere, I probably will. But I'm not just going to get a model for the sake of it. But I would like to get it, if I could. American CRJ 200 in 230PS, and in the new livery, or current livery. I mean, not new livery. It's not new anymore. British Airways A350 1000. This is a definite must-buy for me. GXWBA. Perfect registration. XWB, and the B is incorporated with the BA as in British Airways as well. Perfect registration. So yeah, definite must get for me. I can't remember when they were getting them delivered. But yeah, there's just a lot of recent news about British Airways and the A350s, and it will look awesome. I just wish, personally, I wish they would go for the 777s, new 777s. They might at some point, but I do think the A350 looks good in the British Airways livery. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. I drone on sometimes. PSA MD81 N930PS. I love the polished leading edge of the engine exhaust of the engine cowling. It's just it looks really nice. Philippines A321neo RP C9930. That looks awesome. Gulfstream G650 in 652GJ. And this one is out of the 3 Gulfstreams that Gemini have released so far in 1/200 scale. This one is by far the best. The white one was awesome. The black one was awesome. I think the black one is second for me. The white one is third. But the silver one with the yellow sort of wave, the modern sort of wave, this just tops everything. It's a great looking aircraft, this one, and this would be the perfect addition to my Gulfstream collection, my growing Gulfstream collection. I hope to collect some more private jets, hoping for some obviously Cessna Citations or some Learjets, things like those. That'd be awesome to add. And last 1/200 scale model and last model of this video is the US Air Force C-17 of Charlotte Air National Guard 00183. And this is a pretty cool aircraft, of course. I love C-17s. And this does have the cargo door that comes down. That's been sort of a thing with Gemini jets these last 2 years, and you can just slightly see it in the photos right here. The cargo door is slightly down. And if you do want to see more of the inside, of course, just head over to Gemini Jets' Facebook page. You might have to scroll through a bit, but there are plenty of photos from inside the cargo door, all the details if you haven't got a model yet. It just looks really nice. It's very, very detailed. So if you do want one, and you know, you need something to sort of push you over the line to get one, the details in the cargo area will definitely make you want to buy it. Anyway, guys, I hope you have enjoyed. So going back to the start, please, it'd be great if you could let me know what you think. If you're not really into the sort of news things, that's fine. But if you do want to, you know, if you would like me to restart it again, would you like on this channel or another channel? Again, this channel doesn't need as much work. And look, I'm not going to push model reviews or plane spotting to the side. Those will still be my 2 priorities. It'll go from reviews, plane spotting, and then aviation news, and also just general aviation topics, where discussions, explanations, a point of view, because I have a point of view which is from sort of inside the airline industry, as a certified maintenance engineer, basic maintenance engineer. So I can give my opinion based on that. But anyway, so just to recap for this release, I will be getting the British Airways A350 1000 and the Gulfstream G650. Those 2 are fantastic models. I cannot wait to get them. And I don't want to, again, I don't want to put false hope in the American Airlines 737, but it would be nice to have in my collection, because I don't have any chrome ones, and I would love to get a chrome American Airlines aircraft. Anyway, guys, I do hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.